Thursday, 17 March 2022, and the time right now is 7:40 p.m. and the temperature is positive 6 degrees Celsius. And today is the St. Patrick's Day in Canada. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how the St. Patrick's Day looks like in Calgary. Let's go. And I just start my walk in 17th Avenue at 10th Street Southwest. Like after a long time, I'm here at the 17th Avenue and look at the sky. It looks so different. For the new people who don't know why 17th Avenue is famous, 17th Avenue is famous for the bar, restaurant, cafe, and pub, for everything. And you can find nightlife, lots of people you can see in 17th Avenue. Lots of boutique shop. Like in the summer, if you come into the 17th Avenue in the weekend, so you can see the rush, like how busy it is. On the St. Patrick's Day, pretty much every bar and restaurant, they decorate with the green color. I like the sky today. It looks so beautiful. This side is a little bit quiet because most of the store in this side is mostly like bridal shop and electronic and some boutiques and like a bank area in the 17th Avenue. And I'm going towards the pub and bar area, so you can see how people celebrate the St. Patrick's Day in Calgary. for the signal to cross the road. In the summertime, this park every weekend or every evening is full of people. Every weekend, like it should be going like concert or any other event is going on in this little park. I don't have any plan to do a walk today, but when I come to 17th Avenue and I saw so many people wearing the St. Patrick dress, green color, so I was thinking, I should make a video of St. Patrick Day. Whenever you come at the summertime, the weekends, so you can also see the car racing and the car show in 17th Avenue. Look at the business of the St. Patrick Day. Just waving me. That's so nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey, boys. Boys. We don't want to kick. We gotta order another bar. Thanks, guy. I don't want my 2 feet.
They are having fun in the St. Patrick Day, and everyone is wearing, you can see pretty much the green jacket or green hoodie or green t-shirt.
From it, the landlord on Patio shift yesterday. I've talked to him.
Lot of music is on, so if I mute the video, that means it's copyright. And nowadays, like, if I put instead of the other music, so sometimes, like after 2 or 3 months, the other music also claim the copyright. So it's so annoying, and it's better to mute my video because so many copyright strike nowadays. I'm just tired of this. Thinking I should make a video of the Calgary different type of restaurant, like whenever I go restaurant I should make some video of the restaurant too, like the food reviewer. I'm not that foodie though, but yeah, I'm thinking. Oh, this is the new store, Amato Gelato Cafe Bar. National Bar. It's so crazy busy. Yeah, because the restaurant is super full because there is no more restriction, like no more COVID certificate you need to show to go to restaurant, nothing. So it's open for all. Hi. is a patio bar. It's covered with the um, plastic triple. Yeah, because some people don't like to sit outside because it's 6 degrees Celsius and it's a little bit windy. I think Mission side also going to be very busy, and that side also has so many Irish pub also. Okay guys, that's it, and I'm going to finish my walk here. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.
Let him go.